Big impact of the new ration dealer suspended in Hatterganj amid allegations of misconduct. 20 quintals of rice and 8 quintals of it seized. Allegation of the 3 months unpaid ration. Administration launches action after villager protest. Namaskar, I am Sikandar Kumar and you are watching Telecom Guru News. A major development is coming in from Huntraganj, Chatra, Jharkhand. The voice of village has finally reached the administration, and this time the administration has taken action. A government ration dealer in Badi Biga village under Gerua Panchayat of Huntraganj block has been suspended following complaints from rations cardharis. The dealer Savita Devi has been accused by villagers of serious irregularities in the distribution of government foods grains, including allegations that beneficiaries were not provided ration for May, June and July. But that's not all. During the administrative inspections, 29 quintals of rice and 8 quintals of wheat were seized from the ration shop. The development comes after dozens of villagers reached the block office and protest against the alleged irregularities. Now, several questions are being raised. Were poor families actually deprived of their rightful ration? What did the administration find during the inspection? Why was the dealer's license suspended? And most importantly, when will the affected families receive their pending ration? We will take you through the entire story step by step so stay with till the end, because this is not just a story about rice and wheat. It is a story about the rights of poor families and the accountability of the public distribution system. The matter concerns the government public distribution system shop operating in Badibiga under Girwa Panchayat Huntraganj block. According to the information available, several ration card holders had complained about difficulties in receiving their monthly food grains. The villagers approached the administrations and raised allegations against the dealer. Following the complaints, the block supply officer Santosh Kumar Barma inspected the concerned ration shop. The inspection focused on the available food grain stock, distribution records, and the overall functioning of the shop. After the inspection, administrative actions was initiated against dealer Savita Devi. Her PDS license was suspended with immediate effect. The action was reportedly taken on the direction of the Chatra district food supply officer. One of the biggest development in this case is the seizure of a substantial quantity of food grains. During the inspection, the administration seized approximately 29 quintal of rice and 8 quintal of wheat. The seized food grains have been taken under administrative supervision. The authorities have also raised the process of ensuring that affected ration cardholders do not remain without food grains. The distribution arrangement is being shifted to another PDS dealer, Satya Devi, so that beneficiaries can receive their ration without further difficulty. For poor families, government ration is not simply food grain. It is an essential support system. That is why any allegation of irregularity in the distribution of subsidized food grains becomes serious public issues. The controversy intensified on Tuesday when dozens of ration cardholders from Badi Biga reached the Huntraganj block office. The villagers reportedly surrounded by the block supply officers and strongly protested against the dealer. According to the villagers, they had not received their ration for May, June and July. They also leveled allegations of abusive behavior and the claim that some beneficiaries were allegedly driven away why they demanded their ration. There were also allegations that some beneficiaries were asked to provide their fingerprint for ration distributions while allegedly being shown sand on the weighing scale instead of the actual food grains. The villagers further alleged that Sundar Bharti was allegedly assaulted during a dispute related to demanding ration. These are allegations raised by the villagers and should be understood in that context. The administrative investigations and official proceeding will determine the facts of the matter. During the inspection, the administration reportedly examined not only the food grain stock but also the basic arrangements related to the PDS shop. According to the information available, the government PDS shop board was not found during the inspection. Officials also reported irregularities in the stock. Following the inspection, the administration suspended the dealer's license and seized the food grains. The seizure of 29 quintals of rice and 8 quintals wheat has now become a major part of the administrative action in the case. Online records related to the distribution were available. She described that allegations against her as incorrect. However, after the administrative inspection, the suspension of the PDS license and seizure of food grains have taken the matter into the next stage of official proceedings. The final facts will depend on the administrative process and the records examined by the authorities. The action in Badi Biga is also being viewed as an important message for the wider public distribution system in Hunterganj. The suspension of a dealer and seizure of a large quantity of food grains have reportedly created concern among the PDS dealer. The message from the administration appears clear. Government ration meant for poor families must reach the genuine beneficiaries. At the same time, that affected villagers now have another important expectations from the administration. They want their pending ration to be delivered as soon as possible. The bigger questions now is whether the beneficiaries who allegedly missed their ration for May, June and July will receive their due food grains and how quickly the alternative distribution system will become fully operational. So you have seen the complete story. A complaint was raised. Villager protested. The administration investigated, and now the ration dealer has been suspended. While 29 quintals of ration and 8 quintals of it have been seized. But remember, the story does not end with suspension for the poor families of Badi Biga. The real questions begin now. When will their pending ration will reach them? Because for a poor family, a bag of rice is not just a bag of rice. It can mean food on the table. It can mean a family going to bed without hunger. It can mean one less worry for a household already struggling to survive. That is why the public distribution system must remain transparent, accountable and fair. If there is an irregularity, people have the right to raise their voice. And when people raise their voice deserves to be heard. At Telecom Guru News, our effort is to bring you to stories that matters to ordinary people. Stories from the ground, questions from the public and answers from the administration. If you believe that such public interest stories should reach more people, then don't just watch this report. Like this video, comment below and tell us what do you think about this action. Share this report with your friends, family and people in your area. And most importantly, subscribe to Telecom Guru News and press the notification bell so that you don't miss important news from Hunterganj, Chatra and Jharkhand. Because you like, comment, share and subscribe gives a strength to independent ground level journalism. I am Sikandar Kumar and you are watching Telecom Guru News, where news is not just reported. It is brought to you from the ground with voice of the people. From Hunterganj, Chatra, Telecom Guru News. Namaskar, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.